Wait, then point at the sign.
When I tell you. Too bad. Go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Sucker! What? Chugga, chugga, chugga.
I am dying. If I fall, I'm soon. Maybe I'm just kidding. I kid.
I kid. Dun dun. Ah! Okay. I'm just gonna step inside like this. I hope I don't break my ankle or anything.
Yeah.
Yes, I did it.
If he does, I have to pay medical bills.
Yes, yes, you do. Because we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins. So where are we going?
We're going to the waterfall.
Okay. So yeah, we're being goths because they don't want anyone to kidnap us. So we're not smiling.
I'm not allowed to be a goth, but instead I'm going to be a ninja.
I'm totally a goth. I wear black all the time, except for my sneakers. They're bright and beautiful. You don't like blue? What's your problem?
No, bleak stuff.
Oh.
Black.
I thought you said
I
blue.
wear black once in a while, but I wouldn't like wear it like crazy. Oh yeah, we're also going to pass the coal mine.
Okay.
And I know that Emily's favorite.
Here, let's show them the coal.
Let's go.
Wait, where's the coal? Oh, it's over there.
Go, big train track.
Train tracks. Chugga, 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 chugga. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Anyway.
Yes. So this is the theme park.
There's more rides to it.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, there's the merry-go-round.
Where's the unicorn?
It's somewhere. Just go. It's okay. It's okay. We'll find the unicorn. Whee!
Come on.
Coal!
Coal. I think this is one of Emily's favorite places.
Yes. Ready? I don't know if you could see that, but you could color with it. And some more coal. Alright, let's go show them our place.
Yeah.
Our place is right down this tracks. That's, what is that?
Yeah, that is a log cabin.
Okay.
There's snow.
This is our favorite place to go in Knoebels. Hi, Frank. Frank is an alligator who lives in all the sewers in the world. There's a bridge that the train goes across because there's a tracks right there. And it says... Yeah, but we don't listen.
I will show that sign.
We're bad girls.
Yay! Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Jump on it. Let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. This is our favorite place. It is epic and we love it. So what we do is we go right down here and we just chill. Chillin'. Wait, let's show them over there. Ah, I almost slipped. Okay, I'm going. Ah, no need to show. Wee. Oh, jeez. Ooh, it says blacksmith. Why does it say blacksmith?
Whoa, Emily.
Whoa. Alright, come on. So yeah, it goes on a long way, as y'all can see. Oh, this is our other place that we also like to go to. Right here. No one even goes here, so it's pretty cool. It's like, it's easy to break too, but we don't care. We're not cautious at all.
This is the carrot platform.
The carrot platform. And
why.
look at that tree. It's like in the...
Anyway, we're only going to use the battery. We have to shut off the video.
Okay. I just want to show you that rocket ship.
Bye.
Let's go. Bye. Airplane. Frank. There's a lake over there. Did you ever notice that?
Anyway, let's go take a walk and show them the eagles.
Okay. The eagles are Henry and Hattie.